I'm Shannon Ogden with your Denver 7 update. Governor Jared Polis has issued a statewide stay-at-home order. It starts tomorrow morning. You can still get groceries, you can still go for a walk, but you're urged to be at your house as often as possible. The governor says he's making this decision to save lives. The stay-at-home order is in effect until April 11th. So, why the order was issued. This is a look at the latest information from the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment. The number of cases in Colorado has surged past 1,000. The death toll has climbed to 19. Now, right now, 148 people have symptoms severe enough to be treated at the hospital. And the state is also tracking outbreaks at 9 different residential health care facilities. 36 counties now are affected, so that is why this new statewide health order is so key. And Larimer County is making sure healthcare workers have the supplies they need while treating people with the virus. The county held a personal protective equipment, or PPE, drive today. People can drop off things like gloves and sanitizer and masks and bleach wipes.
The people around here are just, they're so selfless, and all you have to do is ask, and people will come together and they'll give everything that they can.
All of the items donated today will be handed out to healthcare workers and first responders. And this past Sunday, people donated enough of these supplies to fill 4 trucks. They held a drive at Empower Field. And there really is a shortage of this personal protective equipment across the country. And Governor Polis is looking to any Coloradan who can help. And that includes a group of 3D printing enthusiasts here in the metro. Denver 7's Ivan Rodriguez shows us how they're answering the call.
If you have a 3D printer, it's as easy as downloading the instructions and pressing go.
It's kind of like having something on the stove and it's cooking away while you're working.
Sharif Abdallah works in IT, but has used his 3D printer at home for years.
I've always liked putting things together, taking things apart.
When he heard health workers were running out of essential items like face masks, he became curious.
If the thought was lingering, that would be neat if I could do something to help.
And when Governor Polis asked businesses and people who have 3D printers to consider volunteering to make the masks, he didn't hesitate.
It feels great. I mean, it really is. It's something that I can finally do. I'm not a healthcare worker. I work in IT for a living. So do we really contribute much? Yeah, you could say so. But this really contributes. It really feels like I'm doing something.
Although it's not a relatively quick process.
Once the first print is out, I can crank out about 1 every 3 hours.
Sharif signed up on the site makeforcovid.co.
If I can make 20, 30, 50, 100, I would be tickled when they're done. They go into Ziploc bags. Then those get collected and taken out and distributed.
Even though he isn't a health worker, he's doing his part to help Colorado get past this chapter. Ivan Rodriguez, Denver 7.
And of course, healthcare workers are on the front lines of this pandemic. And today, volunteers who can't help inside the hospital went outside on the sidewalks to bring a little cheer. Look at this. The artwork they created on the sidewalk. This is outside UC Health. The drawings, of course, to express the gratitude to everybody working inside the hospital. And thank you for doing your part. And keep those good deeds coming. We could all use those right now. From your First Alert Weather Center, a look at your forecast. Of course, today was a spectacular day. Tomorrow, pretty good still. A little windy, a little less cool. And then on Friday, I'm afraid a change that's going to be a little unpleasant compared to what we've seen. Your walks, your healthy walks are going to have a little snow and rain in them, maybe 3 inches or so in the mountains, a little less in the down on the plains. All right, thank you for watching this Denver 7 update. Make sure to download the Denver 7 app for your smartphone to get breaking news and alerts around the clock. I'm Shannon Ogden.